Hello everyone. This week I want to start with a review series as well. After the trading week is finished, I will look back with you guys on my trades of the past week. I will not go into a lot of detail, that my educational videos or my Instagram account, or check out my YouTube. I have a lot of detailed information as well, but let's just look back at how this trading week went. And tomorrow, of course, on Sunday, I will look ahead what we will be seeing in the next trading week. So tomorrow I will present you some new opportunities, and for now I want to look back with you guys to see how my previous opportunities that I presented last week have worked out. To start off with Adidas, I had this one on the top of my list last week. I said earlier that there is great risk reward into this one. I think I entered around here, around the 147 level. That was last week. That was this week actually. And as you can see, price moved away from that. The pullback, some indecision, and then we started moving this week. So this was a great trade for me. I posted an update on my Instagram. You can see that I'm into, I think, 2,000 euros right now from this trade. Just from this trade, I have my take profit on the 154. Why do I have it over there? I have my profit over there because I think the 155 will be a challenge for a small pullback, and then we head into the 60s again and beyond possibly. But for now, this was my best trade this week. 2,000 already. I think when I reach the 54 level, my take profit around here, I will be having a very nice profit. Next one I entered this week was Alibaba. I told you guys this one started after a huge correction. When I pull up a Fibonacci over here, let's do it quickly. You can see that the previous low was over here and the previous high is there, so this is how you draw that fib in. This is what we see on Fibonacci. It retraced all the way back to the 61.8, and there we got a 1, 2, 3 bounce here. It broke a little bit, but after that it started moving. I wouldn't say I missed the move from early on, but this is just 2 days, so this move is so strong. I waited for some consolidation or a pullback to enter. Well, what we see over here is some kind of consolidation. So let's see how price behaves from here on out. All the reasons to enter. We saw a divergence on the RSI. Price action was showing lows. The RSI was already showing momentum to the upside. Let me close this one. So we broke the moving average. We're trading on the outside of the Bollinger Band, so momentum is strong. Great risk reward. These are my favorite trades. You know, strong stocks that pull back all the way to the 61.8 or the 78.6 or whatever zone they're in. This is great setup for me because we know we have great risk reward. So to be concrete, what I did this week, this is I entered, I think, 1 or 2 positions on 1 or 2 accounts. Let's see what happens next week. I have good faith. Mr. Trump is in office right now, so we don't have that market insecurity anymore. We know the US has officially a new president, and whether you like it or not, you know, we'll see what this will bring for the economy and the US. Another one I notified last week was Shopify. I am still waiting for a pullback to enter this trade. As you can see, Shopify moves pretty strong and still is moving up, so I did not enter this trade yet. Weeks ago I said this is a range, when it breaks out it goes. Well, exactly that is what happened over here. I want I want price to move back into the moving average, for example. Maybe we can draw a trend line somewhere in here that also supports this moving average, and well, I pull back to the previous resistance. This is very strong support. This would be great entry for me. So A correction all the way down here, great for me. I will go in big. A pullback to the moving average around here is also a scenario. So let's see how this one works out maybe next week. Facebook, I completely missed this trade. I told you earlier, this has moved so strong, I didn't have any room to get in. No problem. We see that price bounces off a resistance over here, but it's not really one of my favorite stocks right now. NVDA is. I entered NVDA this week because this one is moving crazy. Check out this weekly chart. This is crazy. Strongly overbought stock, so it was inevitable that we would see a retracement on this one. This moved way too strong, so I'm a bit cautious with this one, but we're seeing now actually the price has moved back. I entered this trade, and when I tell you guys that I entered this trade, it's not really the rules I follow, because it still hasn't broken the moving average. So that's one of my rules actually. But I think I entered this trade because of the Fibonacci retracement, and it retraced to the 61.8. There is some more room. I think actually that the 94 is a pretty nice area to re-enter again, but we'll see what happens. I think this is a good pullback. Price started moving, but we have to see a break of this high, and we have to see a break of the moving average as well. So keep an eye on this one. NVIDIA is definitely on my watch list. And then in the ending, we had the inauguration of Trump, some dollar action. We can draw a fib around this one as well. We can see that there is more room for the dollar to for a correction. This is of course the 99.8 is an important level because when we break this area as well, and we can see some more downside potential. Our next area will be over here. Overall, this is just the dollar index. The dollar index is, as you can see, taking a breath after a long move up. So you know, let's see what happens next week. I'm not trading the dollar index, but I am trading the Swiss franc US dollar, and that one is back in this area already. Previous resistance over here, and I think when we look back we see some more resistance. This is if you want to you guys want to see, let's get some feeling where price is at the moment. Price is moving back into the 50%. To be honest, I think there is some more downside potential in this one. When we move to the 4 hour, we can see that we are having the lower lows over here, lower highs, I'm sorry, of course the lower lows as well. This is an important level. If this one breaks, we can see another move down. We saw divergence, but I think divergence is a little bit off the table here. I'm not trading this one, no long nor short. I want to see new momentum. As you can see, past week it was above and below the moving average, so this is some kind of insecurity right here. Not trading it. I pointed it out, but wasn't my favorite stock. So that's it for now, guys. I don't want to get into much detail. Check out my video tomorrow to see what kind of opportunities we have for you guys. One last thing I want to point out short. I see now on my phone, I also entered this area. Not this area, but this trade. Why? Because we saw a nice move up, we saw a pullback, and I entered this trade this week. I think it was on Thursday or Friday when we broke this level. We have to see some more confident break, but let's talk about that tomorrow. Thanks guys, bye.